55, and if you look at it, it's a Schneider store. So if Schneider made it, we put it in here. Our HMI, our contactors, our VFDs, our sensors. Literally, if we made it, we put it in here. If we didn't make it, then we would still put it in here, but only the components that we needed, right? So like we don't make pumps. Schneider doesn't make pumps. We don't make the heat exchanger. We don't make the piping itself. But anything else we made, we put in there, right? These have much larger pumps than that one over there. And that's really the value proposition of this unit versus that one, is that this one is meant to be in the gray space, in the service corridor, right? Have this far, far away from the IT. That's why the bigger pumps, they can pump at a distance, right? That one's meant to be in the row. So very, very, very proud of this. We essentially, we got a design specification from the hyperscalers, and they said, okay, we want this. And we went, okay, you want that? You want that? Sure. So we really designed it for them, right? For free. The last one I want to show you. So this is that liquid to air unit that I was talking about, which could make a lot of sense for your DX data centers, right? So you can see it has all the componentry of a CDU in the bottom, but if you notice, there's an air coil in the back and there's fans in the back. So what this does is you might have one rack or two racks of liquid-cooled servers right next to this. This is going to handle liquid cooling of the servers, but then it's going to take that heat and it's just going to direct it right out the back. So you now have 150 kilowatts of hot air that you have to have another air unit in your data center, another DX air unit to get that heat outside. So it's not efficient, but it is a problem solver. If you just need just a couple racks of liquid cooling for your clients, this may be a way to do it, or a lab or something like that. We do see these used at scale with the Bitcoin miners. So they can have their sort of chicken coop designs where they bring fresh air in across one of these and project the hot air right out the other side. So, and some of our hyperscalers are trying to use a lot of these because they have existing air-cooled data centers, and they're willing to eat some of the energy efficiency. But we really recommend if you need more than one of these, it's time to start thinking about going over there to one of the liquid.